Hi everyone, if you're paying attention to your emails and you're building the Connect platform, you're probably getting this. This is the Take Flight promotion that just came out. The time has come for Connect and the blockchain to take flight and impact the world as we know it can. We are calling for founders and leaders that live to inspire, are go-getters, and hungry to create transformation with the blockchain. We are pleased to announce the launch of the Connect Team Win Rewards and the Take Flight promo through the end of June 2019. Take Flight promotion. We all win with Connect Win Rewards. Win Rewards determine placement for Summit, True North, and Legendary Team Leadership bonuses. All qualified leaders will receive 2 times Win Rewards for sales during the promotion period, and the top 10 leaders with the most Connect 5 certifications will receive 3 times the Win Rewards. All orphan sales and affiliate sales or affiliates that are a result of Connect advertising or referral efforts will be assigned to the top 10 leaders with the most win points. All qualified leaders will have advanced notification of new releases for 90 days and will be the first to beta test new software and product releases. All qualified leaders will receive free Connect Robot Beta license awarded and activated for 6 months. Guaranteed bonus commissions. All qualified leaders that produce 100 unit sales, Green Box, Codex Box, or Connect Pro during this green event will be awarded a one-time bonus of $300 per unit or the Team Win Rewards for that bonus cycle, whichever is greater. Take Flight promotion. Take Flight promotion rules. Rewards and incentives are tied directly to an affiliate ID and not transferable. Affiliate must be Connect 5 certified by promotional end date to qualify for any Team Win Rewards. Number 3, requires a minimum of 5 unique Connect 5 certifications. Number 4, allows up to $5,000 USD value to be connected. Number 5, only 1 builder bonus per team. Unit sales may not count twice and must have the same affiliate code attached at the same sale. And number 6, 10 Connect Lite or Start packages is equivalent to 1 Connect Pro license. So guys, there you have it. We're going into the month of June, and now's the time to make sure that you're paying attention to the promotions that are coming with the compensation plan. Very excited to release this. Only took a couple, minutes to review it. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of the Team Mega Facebook group so all of you guys can see what the promotion is going on. And soon I'll be releasing the compensation plan video. Aloha.